Hi everyone, Namaskar and welcome to Curries with Bumbi. Cabbage koftas are wonderful vegetarian alternatives to meatballs. Today I will show you how to make cabbage kofta curry where the cabbages are formed into round balls and cooked in a delicious gravy. Here I have shredded the cabbage very thinly. You can also pulse them in a food processor. To this I added a generous amount of salt and allowed it to sit for an hour. After an hour, I will now add some spices, cumin powder, coriander powder, little bit of hearty or turmeric powder, and some chopped green chilies which are totally optional. Now we need a binding agent. I am using chickpea flour. My viewers from India, you can happily use besan, that is gram flour. Add chickpea flour a tablespoon at a time. Start mixing like you would do when kneading a dough. Add the chickpea flour a tablespoon at a time. If you see things are not coming together, then add just a tablespoon of water. You should be able to form a ball like this. Now, if you still see that you cannot form a ball, then leave it like this on your counter for about 15 minutes and then you will see things get much easier. Here I have let some oil heat up for deep frying. Dip the handle of your wooden spatula or a chopstick in the hot oil. If you see that instant sizzle, it means your oil is ready for the koftas. To start with, just add one kofta to test whether it is breaking or not. If it doesn't fall apart, then you are good to go. If it falls apart, then you have to add little more of chickpea flour. If you see your testing kofta browns up as soon as it hits that hot oil, then your oil is too hot. In that case, reduce the heat and wait for the temperature to come down before adding the koftas. Fry them on medium-low heat till they turn golden brown all around and fry them in batches in a single layer. Time to make the gravy now. I took some of that oil in which I had fried my koftas. In it I added jeera or cumin seed and one dried bay leaf. Add potatoes. You can leave out the potatoes, but I love adding them. Fry them on medium heat till they get this golden brown color. Next comes the dry spices, haldi or turmeric powder, Kashmiri red chili powder for the color and the mild heat. You can even use paprika. Then ground coriander and ground cumin. Mix everything on medium heat to bloom those spices. Then I added tomato puree. You can even add fresh tomatoes. I do not have any today, so I reached out for this easier option. Then I added little sugar to balance the flavor. Next comes grated ginger. Stir for a few minutes so that the ginger gets well fried. As we say in Indian cooking, you need to fry the ginger till its raw smell goes away. Then add about 1.5 cups of hot water. Keep in mind that the koftas soak up a lot of that gravy, so you want the gravy to be on the thinner side. But guys, do not make a swimming pool as that will dilute the flavor. I added some salt, and then once the gravy comes up to a boil, cover it on low heat for about 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, my potatoes have turned tender. Do a taste test to adjust the seasonings. Remove the bay leaves. Finally, add little garam masala powder to perfume the dish, and let it sit for another 2 minutes on low heat. In the meantime, place all the fried koftas in your serving bowl. Then switch off your stove and pour that gorgeous potato gravy onto the koftas and serve immediately. This goes very well as a side with hot steamed rice or roti. This is Bumbi, and thanks for joining me. Please stay safe. Bye bye.